Hey, I wanted to do a quick soundbite video of this ESP LTD. This has just come in on a trade-in. The guitar's in great shape other than a couple of little things. It's got one good little ding right there. A little bit of belt buckle rash, but we just cleaned the guitar up real good. I went over the frets and crowned them up and polished them real good. It plays great. Got a brand new set of Ernie Ball 10s on it. And it's got the EMG active pickups. It's a string through. It'd be a great guitar to do detuning with and stuff. Nice smooth volume control, tone control works great. Again, this would be a great guitar to do detuning with, so if you want to do a drop tune and stuff like that, it's not going to go haywire on you like a Floyd Rose guitar. Got nice Grover tuning keys on it. This is a neck through. These are not cheap guitars. These are really good quality guitars. But anyway, I wanted to give you a quick rundown of the tones and sounds. Sounds good clean. The EMGs are known for their rock and rolling and stuff, but it's a 24 fret, sounds really good. Anyway, that's a good rundown of clean and dirty. So fresh strings, fresh battery, ready for the next rocking and roller to get this thing. This is a great guitar. Plays really good. It's got the compensated nut as well, which is supposed to help with intonation and stuff. So when you're playing open chords and stuff, it makes it where it won't discord and plays in tune up and down real well. This is a Korean made model. Again, it's in really good condition other than the boo-boo and the little bit of belt rash. So you guys get it while it's hot. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.